Here we will go through few questions, multiple type questions for your exam for inorganic chemistry for the first semester. I have prepared few questions, set of few questions, which helps you, which will help you to understand the pattern of questioning and how to understand, how to write or how to select the correct option from the given options. Okay. So see, it is just depend on how much you have understand, how we have understood the chemistry, and how you apply this chemistry to answer your concept, or how you apply your concept to answer the questions. So our discussion would be on the section 2 of inorganic chemistry for the semester 1, and the topic is chemistry of main group elements. So see, the question can be like this: which of the following, which of the following is electron deficient hydride? This is the MCQ type question, and you would have these four options. So these four options are there, and they may change option also. See what I did here. I have shown here that A and B, but they can put some other compound, no problem. They can put here, say carbon dioxide, or many other are possible. But what is the answer from your side? Example. So if we know the definition of hydride and then further division of hydrides, we can say classification of hydride. It will be easiest. It will be easy for us to choose the correct option. There are three hydrides. There are three types of hydrides: electron rich, electron sufficient precise, and electron deficient. Means less number of electrons. But how will you write? What is the meaning of electron rich hydrides? What is the meaning of electron precise hydrides? What is the meaning of electron deficient? So what is the answer? Yes, anyone from you? Okay. The electron deficient. Okay. You should know the reason. The reason is very simple. Boron do not complete its octet. तो बोरॉन में जो सेंट्रल एटम है वो बोरेन में जो सेंट्रल एटम है वो बोरॉन है. बोरॉन के पास सिर्फ 3 बॉन्ड है और 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है. दैट विल फॉर्म विद द 3 बॉन्ड्स विद 3 हाइड्रोजन्स, और उसका ऑक्टेट इनकम्प्लीट रहता है. देयरफॉर द हाइड्राइड which have incomplete octet are called as electron deficient boranes, and hydride which having the complete octet are called as electron precise borane. Electron precise hydride. Second question is this one. This NH2 minus amide ion is, yes, amide ion is what? NH2 minus ion is what? So what is your answer for this one? What is the amide ion? Yes, what is the hybridization of amide? This is the question. Yes. Anyone from you? There are 4 options, right? Yes. Yes, Priti. What is the answer?
Question number 2, answer is sp3 because the
Yes.
structure has 2 sigma bonds and 2 lone pairs of electrons.
That's correct. Very good.
Therefore, it has sp3 hybridization.
That's right. NH2 minus means it already carry two pair. This is one pair on nitrogen, This is another pair and two bonds. Therefore, it is the sp3 hybridization. So like this we can explore our idea. Next point. Yes. Question number 3. Geometry and hybridization of yes. IF7 is
Sir,
The
yes.
third वाला option.
C. Pentagonal bipyramidal
option number
sp3 t3.
Okay. One. Let me go. I will ask. Yes.
yes,
Neha.
sir.
Yes. बोलिए Neha. What is your answer?
Sir, pentagonal bipyramidal and sp3d3.
Okay. Any one of you having answer other than this? See? No. And that is the correct answer. Okay. And we have studied this. We have discussed. Yes or no?
Yes,
We
sir.
have we have already discussed this IF7 formation of voice structure of IF7. So answer C is correct. Next question. B2H6 contain. Now the question is two center, two electron bond, two center, three electron bond, four electron, three center bond, and D is A and B. See for this ये समझने के लिए तुमको क्या करना है? ये हमारा टॉपिक डिस्कस हुआ है, मैंने इसका वीडियो भी अपलोड किया है. I know that video also. So B2H6 का पूरा डिस्कशन किया हमने, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ B2H6 स्ट्रक्चर्स वगैरह वगैरह सब चीजें डिस्कस वी हैव डिस्कस्ड ऑलरेडी थे. So if you know the structure of B2H6, you tell which is the correct answer. Two center, two electron bond. Yes. C for what is the meaning of C? It's for center. Okay, center, not carbon. Two center, two electron bond. Two center, three electron bond. Four electron, three center bond, and D, A, and B. Yes. Yes. Taslima, what is the answer? It is A. Okay. So these four questions. So answer of first question is C, that is borane. For question second, answer is A, sp3. And for third question, again it is C, pentagonal bipyramidal. And sorry, there is a problem here. Actually, there should be some change here. Actually, I wanted to do some change. So it should be like this. Okay, 1 minute. So it should be like this. Okay. Any answer. So if you go through the now see question number 4. Now I have rearranged it. I have rearranged this question number 4. So can you tell me the answer of question number 4 now? Yes.
सर डी बताया आपने.
No. Okay, forget about me. You just tell your concept. Neha and Priti, Farha. You tell your concept. What is the answer for B2H6? Yes. So can you draw the structure of B2H6 if you know the structure of B2H6? So how many bonds are there? Total 6 bonds, right? 4 bonds are terminal and 2 bonds are non-terminal. They are bridge bonds. So how bridge bonds are formed? No. Bridge bonds are formed by bridge bonds. So terminal bonds, how they are formed? They are formed by the two center to let me draw the structure here. Now you see borane, diborane, now B2H6. So now see. So see if I am drawing like this. like this. Here hydrogen, and here also hydrogen, and here hydrogen. Right. See now, these two hydrogens, this 1 and 1, 2, and 3 and 4. These are terminal hydrogens between two centers, two electron bonds. See, these are two electrons and these two center. This. So two electron, two centers. Okay. Now what about this one? This bond. This bond having three centers. 1, 2, 3. Three centers, and but this bond is consisted of only two electrons. So we can say two electron, three center bond, and therefore the answer is D. So like this, we can explore our idea. Fine. Next question. Now see, question number next is, when we dissolve sodium in liquid ammonia to give a solution, what is the answer? Which color would appear to the solution on dissolving sodium in liquid ammonia? Or no color or no color? Okay, both are possible. That's correct. A is correct answer. Fine. A is the correct answer. Blue and bronze, two colors. When sodium is in low quantity and we dissolve in liquid ammonia, it's blue. And if you continue dissolving or adding sodium, it becomes bronze. And when you use the sodium of solution of sodium in liquid ammonia, what is the use? Reducing agent, oxidizing agent, oxidant, or none. So like this. So there are more options, possibilities are there, possibility more options. There is a possibility of more options. No problem.
Reducing agent.
It is the reducing agent. That's correct. The answer is correct one. It is the reducing agent, and here also A. Next question is, tryptan contain. Yes. Tryptan. Do you heard this before? Tryptan. Tryptan. Have you heard this before? Tryptan. What are tryptans? Tryptans are mimics to the crown ethers, macrocyclic compounds. Fine. So what do you say for this question? Tryptans. Tryptan ligand contain. Yes, what is the answer? What is the answer then? So A is this one, B is this, and C and D. Yes. What do you say? Yes. Anyone have gone through the structure of tryptans in last week or this week? So for the tryptan ligands, the answer is this one. It contain, yes. So what is the IPC name for this compound? Yes, who will tell the answer? What is the answer?
Option
Yes.
A,
Option
18
A.
crown 6.
Yes.
18 crowns.
The A.
Yes, Farah, right. Yes. A is the correct answer because it is 18 around 6 ether. 6 means 6 oxygen. 6 means 6 oxygen. Okay. And 18 means total elements in the fine. Let us go for the next one. See now. The question is, compounds of borons are. Compounds of boron are Lewis acids. They are Lewis base. they are amphoteric or neutral. So there are 10 questions. See, this is the question again. And this is the one more question. So what do you say for closoborane? Interesting question. So closoborane, nidoborane, arachnoborane, ये सब तुम लोगों को आना चाहिए, right? So ninth का answer, what is the answer of ninth? Yes,
Lewis acid.
Lewis acid. That's correct. That's correct answer. Lewis acid. The compounds of boron are Lewis acid in nature. They are electron deficient. What is the formula